Yeah, I'm really excited to be giving this presentation on January 26th. I've worked on understanding the microbes in the indoor environment for over 10 years now, and I'm excited to share a lot of the research that we've done with all of you and everyone who works in the cleaning and restoration industry. We're going to talk about some of our recent work looking at the novel coronavirus in dust and what the implications of that are for people who might be cleaning a room, say after someone who has been infected with COVID-19 has left that room. I'm going to talk a little bit also about the basics of viral transmission and what we know in the indoor environment, and also about some occupational health considerations that you might want to keep in mind if you are cleaning these indoor environments to make sure that the people who are actually going in there can stay as safe as possible.